Weissman, and I'm here in the oil pit at Saul's Autotek. Now, the reason I'm standing here is because I'm going to talk to you about a vehicle that's not here. I can't show it to you. It's not in the building. And the reason is, it's one of the most reliable vehicles ever produced, so it doesn't need to be here. Now, it's a vehicle that you might have known to hate growing up. The GEO Metro. Why would I talk about this car? Why is this car reliable? What makes this car better? It's a GEO. Well, GEO was actually produced by General Motors, which made very cost-effective cars, but they weren't the most reliable. However, the engine that was in it was actually produced by Toyota, who makes the most reliable engines on the planet. So they put the most reliable motor and the most reliable transmission, both Toyota sourced, into a General Motors vehicle that had very, very cheap, easy to service outer parts to it on that body and interior. As a result, the car was very affordable, didn't make a lot of power, but was extremely reliable. And the reason I'm sitting in the pit is because it's really the only service those cars ever need. The only time I've ever seen one come into the facility, I needed to be right here, take care of its oil change. I actually have a personal friend that bought a brand new GEO in 1995. She's a math teacher. She taught me a lot of what I know that I can share with you. One thing that she taught me was that, you know, car companies do some things right, and just because it's cheap doesn't mean it's a bad car. Well, she's owned that vehicle for 24 years. It's got 385,000 miles. The last time I saw it, I was 17 years old and I was changing the oil on it. So I called her to ask, hey, how's that thing still doing? Runs great, just got the oil change the other day. I'm amazed. So, just because you find out that your car was built as a partnership, you think it's not real because another company has parts in it other than the company whose name's on that hood ornament, don't be afraid. The reality is, car companies want you to be reliable. We want you to be reliable. They built what was considered an extremely cheap car, and it so far has been one of the most reliable, longest-lasting vehicles on the planet. So if you've got a GEO and you want to keep it alive, let's see it. I know I'll just need this oil change pit. I won't need much else. I could walk through the bays and show you all the other vehicles and explain why they're less reliable, but the reality of it is the GEO Metro, one of the most cost-effective and affordable vehicles ever sold in the United States, to this day remains one of the most reliable vehicles to ever drive on our roads. If you've got concerns about a vehicle, whether it's 2 years old or 20, and you want to keep it alive, here at Saul's Autotek, we can help. We're here 7 days a week, 365 days a year, standing right here in this oil pit so we can take care of you. 303-290-9900. Come and see us. Let us help out with yours.